guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix when you are trying to deleting your WhatsApp status. So at that time guys, you are getting this type of irritating message on your phone. As you can see guys in my screen, deleting your status. So how to fix this problem? Now in this video we will learn this guys. Okay, so for this guys, you can try this easy and very simple method. So when you are trying to delete the status from your phone guys on your WhatsApp, first you need to check your internet connection. If the internet connection is not good, at that time you can definitely face this type of problem. So it's totally depend on your internet connection. Okay, in case your internet connection is too good, working very fine on your phone, after then you are facing this type of irritating message on your phone, you at that time you can follow this easy and very simple method. Now you need to restart your phone one time. After restarting, try to delete your WhatsApp status. Now hopefully this time it will fix your problem. Okay, still in case you are facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to update the WhatsApp from the Google Play Store and search the WhatsApp, and if the app update is available, simply just update the app. Okay, after updating, open WhatsApp once again and try to delete your status. Now it will delete your status 100%. Still in case you are facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to check your internal storage of your phone. If the internal storage of your phone is not free, you can also get this type of irritating errors from your WhatsApp. Okay, just you need to free up some internal storage. After doing these guys, this will fix your problem. So these are the easy and simple solutions to fix that problem. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.